my name is Joani Pemberton, and we're going to check out this Gardengate model, which is a Webb home. We're in the Webb community in Lake Las Vegas, and it's an over 55 community. And this particular model is 2,294 square feet. It comes with 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. However, this particular model has 4 bedrooms. I can't explain that, and a den. So, but the square footage is still 2,294. So we're going to take a look around. We're in the front of the house, and it has this little courtyard, and we have the 2-car garage over here. A couple steps up to the courtyard. It could be gated if you wanted it to be. Actually, I love these gray pavers. It's so pretty. This is fully pavered, as is the driveway if they had one. We're coming into the entryway, and we have an 8-foot door. So this model has wood flooring, not throughout, but in most of the main living areas. I believe the bedrooms are carpeted. Again, it's 2,294 square feet. In this entryway, we have wainscoting and a tray ceiling, which is modern looking with recessed lighting. We're just going to move on into this wet bar. Really pretty wet bar in the main living area. This tile is actually tile with little pieces of mirror etched in. So pretty. We have KitchenAid appliances in here, so we have the KitchenAid wine refrigerator. We have a cute, small, undermounted sink that's stainless steel. We have the nice hardware and the nice cabinetry. It's kind of a dark coffee color, espresso color throughout. Lots of cabinetry here. The composite of this countertop and bar is about 95% marble with 5% composite, so it's mostly marble. Nicely done. So we have this family room, dining room, kitchen combination, which is pretty spacious. This room is about 17 by 17. It has recessed lighting. Again, the wood paneling throughout flooring. Moving on into the dining room. We have a formal dining room that has a lot of natural light. This lot is a view lot, and all of the lots, most of them have a lot premium, and I'm not sure what lot premium is on this lot. It's not available for sale yet, but we're gonna go out there. So we have a sliding glass door here in the dining area, and a sliding glass door also, 3-panel sliding glass door in the family room, just so you know. And this covered patio is fully pavered with recessed lighting. And to my right is going to be the door that goes into the master. So the master has its own door out to the patio. And this view is really pretty nice. It shows all of Lake Las Vegas. It actually shows the other lake. Nice pool. This is fully pavered, and there's big, looks like concrete tiles around the pool. We're going to go back in this way. So coming back into the family room. So in the kitchen, again, we have the island that's made out of that marble composite with the contrasting dark cabinetry, the espresso color, very pretty. And we have the KitchenAid cooktop. KitchenAid hood, a little stylish. KitchenAid oven, microwave oven, convection oven combination. On the diagonal here we have a cute little pantry. And we have a KitchenAid refrigerator freezer combination. And the cabinetry I want to point out goes all the way to the ceiling, which is nice and space saving. Probably need a little bench to get up there, or a little step stool, but still. I like when they utilize the cabinetry all the way to the ceiling. It's nice. Next, we're going to go into the master suite. The master has its own little entryway. We're going to start over here with the linen closet. Let's start in the master bedroom. This is nicely done. It has tray ceiling. And again, the same wood flooring. And this is really painted. It's a interesting paint job, and it has a mirror with the paneling. Not sure if that's an upgrade. This has a lot of natural light. This room has a lot of natural light. It's approximately 17 by 17. Again, we have the door here that goes out to the covered patio, which is nice. Different perspective. Next, we're going to go into the master bath. The master bath has two separate vanity areas with the sinks, undermountain sinks, the same marble composite. This is an interesting, rather dark shower with its own little clear-story window. It's fully tiled. The bench. With the walk-in closet. And the water closet to the left. So we're back in the main living area. So the master bath is in the back of the house. And here's this lovely wet bar again. It's so well done. And to my right, we have a den. The den has its own tray ceiling. It's approximately 11 by 11. Has nice windows with natural light. It's set up as an office. And then coming out, we have a half bath. Half bath has a pedestal sink. So back into the entryway, we have a different perspective of the entryway that shows the wainscoting and tray ceilings. So we're going to start to our left, where we have the entrance to the garage, two-car garage. To my left, we have the laundry room. Moving on, we have an ensuite bedroom. This bedroom is approximately 11 by 11. It is carpeted. Interesting wallpaper. Has a lot of nice lighting. And, oh, excuse me. And it has a 3/4 bath. And this particular countertop is actually quartz. We have a shower in here. Same quartz is in the countertop is in the back of the shower. This is interesting. The flooring in the bathroom continues onto the flooring in the shower. And again, for perspective, we're at the front of the house. We have 2 more bedrooms over here. So we're going to start here. We have like a little linen closet, or excuse me, linen and coat closet. And moving on the diagonal, we have a secondary bedroom. It's approximately 11 by 11 with recessed lighting and carpeting, and it has a walk-in closet. Next, we have the 3rd secondary bedroom, or bedroom number 4. This is in the front of the house. This is about 11 by 11 as well. It has recessed lighting, but a lot of natural light. And this has a wall closet. Paint is very decorative, tasteful, blends with the rest of the house. And to accommodate these 2 bedrooms, we have a full bath, dual sinks, undermounted with that same marble composite countertop. So this concludes our tour of this Gardengate model. Again, it's 2,294 square feet. Its model is a 4-bedroom, but it actually comes with a 2-bedroom. So there's some options that can be worked out. The price of this home is $525,880, and that's a base price. So you're looking at about 15 to 20% in upgrades. This house is highly upgraded and has a lot premium because it has a view lot with the lake. So if you're interested in this home or any of the homes on my video tours, please feel free to contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. Thanks.